So I will use this image in Canva, and after that I will make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, so then I will go to text here, click on add a heading here, and here I will write top model and make the size as 120 and the font to be League Spartan. So this is done. Now after that I will just rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, and just place it right here. Okay, and after that go to effects, click on outline and make sure the color is white. Okay, so this is set. Now after that I will go to elements here, scroll down to find shapes, and I will use this square shape and just bring it right here. Okay, and just cover half of the text and cover till the starting of the L. Okay, just zoom it so that I can work more efficiently, and after that just bring it right here and just cover it till here and change the color to white again. Okay, and then duplicate it and rotate it and right click it, go to layer, show layers, and bring it down the text. Okay, and I will just rotate it further. So now I will duplicate it, and here as I have made this one as 50 degrees, I will make the same here. Okay, so that I can keep the similarity here. Okay, like this, and now unzoom the picture and cover these parts also with white, and after that just click on this image, the main image, and click on BG remover. So as you can see, the background is removed. So as you can see, as the background is removed, some loose strands of this dress and some loose strands of hair is present here. So to clear that, we will click on BG remover, and I will get this panel, this erase and restore panel, and I will just make the brush size as 3 and just zoom the picture and just remove the loose strands of hair. Remove the parts which are creating the loose strands here. Okay, and I will now just click on the main image, press Ctrl+C in the keyboard and add page and add it here, and click on edit, and now I will go to adjust here, increase the brightness, increase the highlights, and also increase the shadows, and after that let's focus on the first page again, and here I will click on edit, go to duotone and go to custom. Here change both the colors to black. Okay, so this page is done and the next page is also set. So now I will go to share, click on download. Make sure you download both the pages as JPG and click on this download. Now click on add page and re-upload both the images. And after that, just scroll down and go to apps here, click on blend, click on this blend image app, select this black layer as the bottom layer and select this image layer as the top layer and change the blend mode to screen. And as you can see, our image is ready. Click on add page and add to design. But the work is still not done here because white background is not looking good in it. So let's make the image bigger. Okay, and after that just click on BG remover again and just crop some part and scroll down to find elements. Here write gray background. Click on photos, click on see all, scroll down to find a suitable background. So I like this one, set image as background. And as you can see, our image is ready and you can make similar designs like this in Canva. So hope you like this tutorial and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.